This is lead hardware engineer Nicole again. While Kyle works on the power supply block, I am beginning to work on the system controller schematic in Expedition Designer. We have already selected the FPGA and microprocessor needed for this project, so now I will work on the DDR4 circuit part of the design. I begin with a blank schematic project and create a new DDR4 block on the top level of the schematic. I add some crucial power nets and buses which are connected to that block. Next, I push into the block and add the memory device symbols from my library. From the DDR4 bus, I can easily rip nets and use Ctrl-Shift and my mouse wheel to change the spacing, and quickly connect the nets to the device pins. Designer has many keyboard shortcuts which allow me to work quickly, such as Ctrl-Click to copy a symbol, or using the right mouse button to start a net connection. The array command comes in handy when I need to duplicate the same power net on this memory device. Although the nets are not connected properly at first, it is quick and easy for me to fix. Add properties enables me to quickly name nets that follow a pattern. Using these kinds of helpful tools, I am able to complete my schematic fairly quickly. I will also place some decoupling capacitors so that the SIPI engineer can analyze them and help advise us on the most effective decoupling strategy. Although we haven't completed the full schematic, we have enough to begin the early analysis. This will allow us to define the correct constraints which guide the rest of the project. I also need to prepare a stack-up for the SIPI engineer. I have imported a 16-layer stack-up from another project, but I need to change it to 14 layers as a cost reduction on the design. I can do this quickly from within the Constraint Manager by deleting the layers we no longer want. Next, I forward annotate an Expedition so that the projects are in sync. Now that the stack-up is ready, the SIPI engineer will work on the schematic with me and also begin some early simulation.